Hello, everybody. Welcome to another My Custom Bakes training. Today, we're going to show you how to upload your photos for your carousel and for your gallery on your website. So let's jump over to our dashboard. When you first log into your My Custom Bakes dashboard, this will be your main page. On the left-hand side here, there's a couple ways that you can upload your images. First is the image tab. This is kind of your home base for all of your images that you ever upload. So if you've uploaded images from your products, for your carousel or your gallery, which I'll show you in a second, they will all live here. So you could start here by uploading your images. And let's see, we'll just upload one here. You can just click on it and it'll add to your gallery there. You can add as many as you like. It'll give you your file sizes on each individual photo, and then is how much data you have left as well. Okay, so the other place that you can go is to the Appearance tab. So let's go to the Appearance. And this is where you can upload your logo, you can upload a banner, but specifically we're going to look at the gallery and the carousel. So these little pencils here, that's where you're going to edit. So I'm going to click the edit on the gallery. You can see I have a bunch of photos already. But here's another place that you can upload new photos, or you can grab your photos that are already in your account. So we're going to add that caramel apple I just did, confirm, and there it is. You can drag and drop and rearrange. And then once you have it all set how you'd like it, you'll hit confirm. Now this is an important part. If you edit any of these sections, make sure you hit save at the bottom of the page to make sure that save goes to your website. So let's hop over to the shop gallery on our website. I'm going to show you actually again really fast how to get to your website. If you don't already have your tab open, you'll find the circle in the upper right hand corner. Usually it has your logo on it. If you've added your logo, click there and it'll drop down this and you can go visit shop. And now you're at your website. So we added photos to the gallery. So here's the gallery. I would say use this as like your top 10 favorites, or maybe have one of each type of product you do. So I do sugar cookies, I have a dessert cart, I do cakes, I do cupcakes, and not to overwhelm the customer either. You don't want this to be like your social media page. You don't want customers scrolling for days. I would keep it with current photos as well. Try to refresh your gallery every 6 months. You could even do it seasonal as well. So maybe you want to throw up a bunch of Christmas, winter themed, Thanksgiving right now as we're going into those holidays, just to kind of keep it fresh and show your customers what to expect for the upcoming season. So those are my tips there. Customers can click on it, view it larger, but that's your gallery. So then the other section is the shop carousel. So let me go back to my home page. So on your home page at the bottom is your carousel, and people can scroll through here and see your photos. Now you can see I've actually used this as my review section too. So I get Yelp reviews. You could get Facebook reviews, Google, I think, does reviews. So wherever you get reviews, maybe you have a customer that just emails you a review. And I just made a little Canva template. These pictures actually go with the review as well. So I knew who was writing that review and I knew which set went with the review. And yeah, I made a little Canva image there for my reviews. So that's one way you could use this. The other thing I just want to show is you want to check your images. You can see like this caramel apple image probably isn't the best one to use because that apple is out of focus. So we're going to go in and edit the shop carousel. I'm going to remove that one because I don't really care how that caramel apple looks there. And then I also now have caramel apples on my gallery. I would say keep, you could use the same photos in each section, but I would switch it up maybe and do different photos in the carousel and in the gallery, just so it looks different. Excuse me. Again, the same type of setup with the carousel as the gallery. You can click your plus sign, add your images that you've already uploaded to your account, or upload a new image. And then again, you can drag and drop and rearrange the images to how you'd like. Hit confirm and hit save. And then you can go back to visit your shop, so it's refreshed, and you've got your images right down there. So that was a quick little tutorial on adding images to your gallery and to your carousel. Just as a review, try to refresh your photos maybe every 6 months or so. Keep it simple. You don't want to overwhelm your customers with 10, 20 different photos on each section. I would keep the carousel maybe to less than 10, and then even the gallery maybe even at 10 to 15 photos max. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let us know.